Hey, welcome to another tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. Today, I'll show you how to enable the data saver option on Twitter. By activating this feature, you can reduce data usage while using Twitter on your mobile device. When this setting is enabled, videos won't autoplay and images will load in lower quality, automatically reducing data usage. So if you want to learn how to enable this option, stay tuned until the end of this video. So, the first thing you need to do is open your Twitter app and log into your account. After that, tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen. In the menu, tap on Settings and Support, and then Settings and Privacy. Once you've done that, now look for the Accessibility, Display, and Languages option and tap on it. Then, tap on the Data Usage option. And finally, simply tap the switch next to the Data Saver option to enable it. And that's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.